The world often celebrates the brightness and the loudest, but there is a special power in being steady and subtle. Like this cardinal, stay focused on what nourishes you. Keep your crest held high and remember, your worth isn't defined by how much you stand out, but by the grace with which you carry yourself. Shine your way today. What you're seeing is a female northern cardinal. While the males are famous for their bright red feathers, the females have subtle, elegant beauty with soft red highlights in their wings and tails. Isn't she beautiful?